What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Boise is back at it again on his bike. This beautiful Streetfighter V4S. And yes, I looked down not because I needed to know the name of my bike, but just to have a look at it. Because it's been a hot minute since I've actually been on my beautiful baby. Because if you guys follow me on Instagram, y'all would have known the last week and a bit I've been enjoying myself in the beautiful snow of New South Wales. I had a little bit of a snow trip, caught up with family, met my cute little munchkin of a nephew for the first time. He's just, I think, about 8, oh no, he's about 9 or 10 months now, so he's a little bundle of mischief and entertainment. My little break was good. The snowboarding was awesome. I buckled up my right elbow because I decided to go on a run that I wasn't prepared for, and yeah, a little bit of speed. I started to brake and I made the stupid mistake that I was taught not to do. I did it, you know, reflexes, that shit. I put my hand down, essentially, to brace myself falling backwards, and obviously if you're going downhill, your hand is straight and then it gets pulled up. So I hyperflexed my elbow and it fucking hurts. But that's that. I'm back. Uni's back on. I've had my break. I've had my fun. Time to get my head down and grind. So until my next uni break, essentially, yeah, a lot of studies, a lot of working, a lot of YouTubing, and maybe if I find a decent spot, I'll be moving places, so that might affect my schedule. Essentially, I'm still uploading because I may or may not have internet in the new place that I might be moving into, so I'll try and definitely fingers crossed that this Cars and Coffee isn't one of those paid Cars and Coffee. And if I can, I'm definitely gonna grab a little snippet as to, you know, I'll just ride around getting some footage of it, and then I'll park up. I just hope there's some nice cars rocking up, because last time you just had like normal cars there, and I'm just like, brother, this ain't no classic car. I mean, classic shitter, yes, but not classic car. Now, I do apologize, it is a little bit cold, and I did notice there is a little bit of fogging on the lens of my camera, so I don't know if that's been picked up in the actual footage. So, if it has, sorry, I'll try and fix it in post, but otherwise, yeah, my GoPro is just not having it today, to be honest. There's always some bloody issue with it. Oh, a new Hyundai dealership. Actually, speaking of Hyundai, I don't know who, what, when, where, or how, but honestly, Hyundai and Kia are really picking up their game in relation to their cars and their design language, man. They are some crazy nice looking Hyundais and Kia. And I know sometimes it can be considered sacrilege saying that, but honestly, like the new Sportage, that front end of it is just like, goddamn! Not to mention the new fucking, what was it? The Icon 6 and the other one that was released with it as a concept. Like it makes it look like the old school Hyundai Pony. Far out, that is one crazy looking car. Like that, I think it's like the 74 or something like that, or the 76 or something like that. And Jesus, that thing is a sexy car. It's got like that old school Hyundai design language. Oh, so this is where Lexus is. Yeah, it's got that old school design language from like the 70s. And they're kind of like, it's an homage to the Hyundai Pony. And goodness me, that, oh, I'm all about that. Interesting engine, what's it called? Configuration. So they have electric on the front. I think like it was a 300 bhp electric motor on the front. Ah, the Audi dealership. I came here a couple of times when I had my Audi. Fucking expensive things. But yeah, back to the Hyundai that I was talking about. Yeah, it has a 300 bhp or something like that to that effect, a motor on the front. A decent, I think it was a 56 kilowatt battery hours. It was not decent, but it's not like bad. And the rear wheels are powered by the hydrogen engine, which is awesome, which is really cool. Because I mean, firstly, hydrogen is clean as one of the cleanest fuels you can get your hands on, essentially, because the byproduct of well, using hydrogen fuel is, well, water. Good old O2. Well, not O2, but H2O. Oh. Alrighty, we're almost there.
I just realised we're a week early.
I was just saying that we were definitely freaking early. Don't deny that. Lol.
You hungry?
A little bit.
We can go eat.
Yeah, you can grab a coffee, eat something. What's...
there's a little cafe near Cot. You want?
Yeah, can do. No stress. So it's next week or week after?
Next week.
Next week.
Yeah, I was thinking we got here, I was like, there's no cars.
Yeah.
B, there's no signs. I was like, what?
Yeah. And so just like, usually the last couple of times there's been like a line trying to turn right, and I'm like, heh.
Yeah, click them.
I call BS that we're early.
Yes, if you go back up towards Claremont,
Mm.
and then down towards Frio, and then you turn right down towards Cots down there.
Yeah, sounds good, sounds good.